We're in the wonderful Synovus space at Red Deer Polytechnic, who's one of the post-secondary institutions that are part of the A-MEDICO consortium initiative.
It's wonderful to meet with our colleagues here and exchange ideas and plan for the future.
When I walked in, I was very pleasantly surprised. People very easy to approach, and they approached me as well. It's kind of nice to network.
I see everyone at the back of my shoulders very, very engaged in our curated networking.
I'm going to be talking about our project called Smart Garment for Neurological Function Monitoring and Enhancement.
Today's a really exciting day. Today, we're bringing the academics from A-MEDICO, the folks who create products, and we're bringing industry together. These are the folks who represent the market. Industry is the vehicle for commercialization. So they've got insights, expertise that complement the capabilities of the researchers. It's really important to have them both in the same space at the same time to help foster commercialization of the technologies coming out of these labs.
Today I'm meeting with a lot of like-minded people from the medical device medtech space and really looking at all the different kind of players in the ecosystem. When I say players, I'm talking about the academic researchers, you know, the funding organizations like Alberta Innovates, and then all the way down kind of the other players like we talk about regulatory compliance and stuff like that.
Bringing all the intelligence from all the areas, bring them together, that makes a big difference, collaborating.
And so we found, I think, a fantastic format to bring together and blend together these two worlds with great facilitation.
The sensors then detect the biomarkers and provide an output, a quantitative output.
A-MEDICO is a consortium of researchers across Alberta, funded by the provincial government through the Major Innovations Fund, to develop talent, to develop capacity, technologies and partnerships with companies in the medical device space.
As you apply your inertial force, you'll lift up the front of the sledge, and then as you go back to equilibrium.
What I think is exciting about A-MEDICO is that it's really an opportunity for us to revolutionize the way we deliver care when we're using point-of-care technologies. We can start to develop technologies that, for example, you might find in your doctor's office. So rather than just measuring blood pressure and sort of looking at your reflexes with a hammer, there may be a lot more new technologies that can be deployed that are used by primary care physicians. What's particularly exciting about this is that it really enables care to be delivered closer to the person's home, particularly for those people who live in rural communities.
Ultimately, we have to achieve two important things. So one is improving human being outcomes, health outcomes with these innovations. And the second is, as I was mentioning earlier, bringing some economic return and contributing to the province's GDP.
I want everyone here to discover that yes, there's a clear path to make impactful medtech solutions here in Alberta that can be used here in Alberta so that the entire province can benefit on the health side of things, there's economic benefit, and we can demonstrate that we are a pipeline for innovation for Canada and for the rest of the world.
So for me, I want to go have conversations with the people that I don't know, talk about what I do, which is quality regulatory consulting to help bring med tech products to the market, right? And have those fruitful discussions, because you never know where those will lead to. They might have a company they know of that's looking for that support, you know what I mean? And then we all win.
My favorite is the last talk with John, Dr. Wong, and just to see the processes he went through and related to what I'm going through. And that's not abnormal to go through what we're doing.
We're looking to do something bigger like this next year as well, so look out for that.
This is the future of medical innovation. It's happening right here, right now. It may not necessarily look like much. Sometimes it does when you get the slides and the data up. But this is where the next Apple Watch, this is where the next, it's not a pulse ox monitor, maybe it's a brain activity monitor that you can just put on the outside of your head. This is where the next robotic physiological support is going to be developed. And in a few years, you're going to see those innovations in clinical practice. But it starts here.